Hello again, gomitas aka gummies. Today I will be showing you an acrylic speed paint video on a wooden board. This is my first time painting on something other than an ordinary canvas, and I gotta say I love it. I even bought another wooden board at Walmart and hopefully make more, and maybe even perhaps start selling them as well. I like making things and I like making money, so I'm hoping this will work out. Oh, by the way, I have a sore throat and I talk even funnier than usual. Just a little heads up right there. Anyway, let's talk about New Year's resolutions. I have a few common ones such as losing weight, eating healthier, making and saving money, etc. But I do have art related resolutions for this year. One of them is to reach 1,000 followers before 2020 on either of my social media accounts. I know it's not a whole lot, but it is a lot to me. Another one is to definitely practice more with acrylic painting and new mediums. I also want to start my art business this year soon and start making commissions as well as commissioning other artists, preferably a beginning artist like myself or an artist who is struggling to make ends meet because I really like helping people. But since I don't have money or a bank account right now, I can't really do much. Hopefully, I will get that opportunity soon. I beg, I beg that 2019 will be good to all of us, and I wish everyone the best of luck. Do you guys have any New Year's resolutions? I would like to know. Please comment below your resolutions. If you are interested in more of my content, I have provided links down below to my Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr account. Instagram is where I'm most active, by the way. Check that out and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button, but not literally, and share this video among your peers and family. It will really mean a lot to me. Thank you all so much for watching. I know it's a short voiceover, but my throat can't deal with more. Hope you all understand. Again, thank you all for watching. Have a good year.